The GRUB themselves is a technique to fix server accidents. On the day that the Ubuntu server itself cannot be booted up for normal use, because the system of the GRUB, which he calls, is the first part that is loaded every time after turning on. It has damage due to any cause, which is in the form of the word repair itself. We may need a series of live CDs or COLI, which may come from the disks of the server devices. And then you have to install a system that is a repaired boot. After that, we will use a repaired boot that helps to connect the south. How to do it, we will try to see how. Start. Now I enter the server device in front of the server device that can still be used normally, but by starting, we will try to test it, making the server device unavailable. While we will tease him a little, let's say I will go. Please convert it to a root user first. After that, I will test it to create the point that makes the boot error I try to look in. Once finished, we try to test the reboot. The door will find that after this, the server door will not be able to boot normally because we hurt the structure of the booster. Yes, for a moment, we will have to come to know how to repair him at the same time. Start. We will have to shut down the system of this Windows server first. After that, we will have to use the culprit. Load the installation plate of that version of the Jelly server. For example, this series, I will go to load the isofill structure set. It is the home to the top version that we will want to repair. After that, we will choose the connection and start to adjust the boot menu. Enter the boot section, CD/DVD first. Start, we went to adjust the topic of the boot and then went to choose the CD-ROM drive to be the top. After that, we confirmed it and started to enter the sound on the phone from the CD/DVD. OK, when entering the section of the installation page, this time we will choose Unmount sound, which will be the nature of loading Ubuntu into the form of a memory worker. OK, when you come in, we'll start to adjust the image a little bit. For example, we'll fix the display stick to make it clear to see the appearance of the screen. But lately I would like to use it as this resolution, and then we have the app. OK, when the app is ready, we will start to enter the appearance of installing the type of boot repairable. At that time, we will start to open, while outside, OK, and then we'll start to enter the order that we have to use. At the beginning, we will start installing the PPA set that is used to handle the body, that is, the structure of the repair boot first. We will register the PPA as well. We will get the reconsolidator used to install the repair boot. At this time, we have to confirm him. We will start loading the post-story set used to make the repaired boot. After that, we will start to enter the update. The one is a set of index packages. And then we're going to start and install it. When we install it, we're going to install the set of the repaired boot and then get it done. OK, when it's done, we'll start getting into the boot page, call his costume. It will start to load the true set used to manage the blue repairs. First, we will deal with the structure of the set of what, the group of let's first. At this time, we will choose that we want to remodel the set of delete with the diff out first. And then choose to install the new set of MDS to make it work. Wait a minute, start the internet rating. Okay, var. He found the one that is the live suit of the DTech booth. We answered, okay, confirm. Shows that the repaired booth will start to work, where the mode that we choose, we will choose the one that is using the small mode. This mode will make the system to wait for the system to do what steps we have to do. Try it. Start checking the structure, then check the structure, and then start handling the damaged structure, what we've dealt with. And we'll see in the part of the dress that he called, suggesting that he say that we open the terminal, see, and then take in order to manage the damaged GRUB structure. When it is done, it will have to be remodeled on the same rough. Throw it away, because then we copied his code, and then we opened a new terminal and made the pattern of the order that he had. And now we wait a moment, which is observed. Very convenient, because every order will be completed by generate, and then we just use every order to run as he ordered. Wait a moment. Okay, now he's going to start having a new kernel tech and confirm it. Finally, let us comment that we want to remuff this graph, and then answer yes, confirm. Okay, finish this step. After that, we look at the next step. Did we go through this step? And finally, he will start to let us take this set order to create a new GRUB. I have to make a copy, and then we send this command. Waiting for him to finish this, new frame for sure. And then go back and look at the repair boot. I posted it, and it will start to do. Purge is to delete what is damaged of the original and install a new set. During this time, we wait a moment to enter the repair first. Okay, the rest. He said that if you want to report the dress to be stored in the pass bin. Lately, we said that you don't want it, then wait for him to find the ret report and show it to us. Okay, notice that it's finished. This is the report that we made a boot repairing, which will be completed by generate, and then we. In the part of this report, finally, what to do, this one, we can send it to the auditor to see. We can close this set. This shows that the process of repairing it is considered complete. We will order the post of the device to exit the mode of the life of 2. And this one, he will let us do it. Reanimate the medium instance. We follow his example. I go to the location of the device. The installation plate that is used is selected to be ISO live. Keyner, and then we finished knocking the enter. It will end in the personal part. Power off and try to test. We will try to test the new power on to see if this time Ubuntu can come back up. Notice that you have entered and try to check what happened. Okay, then come to the login page to see the door. We then logged in to see the door first. And then the rest go to check the structure of the disk that we have rated them, whether they are still normal or not. Try it, convert them to root. And then we went to see the structure of the drift. How is it? I will find that the structure of the drift will have a body. The feed is normal and ready to use. It shows that in the process of figuring. We are now doing very well. Thank you for watching.